welcome again to Bodge with Brian, the Christmas special. Have we been lucky this year? Has Father Christmas been good to us? You want to see? Of course you do. Of course you do. What shall we start off with? Father Christmas bought me not only a Bosch screwdriver set, but some Makita screwdriver bits and a Milwaukee shockproof set. Now, I don't know about you, I think that's a head-to-head coming on, don't you think? Yeah. So, a little later on in the series, you have a look and we'll have all of these three on test and see what you think. What else did we get? What else did we get? Only a Maglite torch. Only a Maglite torch. This is the one that I'm going to take out of the box because torches are always a bonus. Absolute bonus. And Maglite are well known and at the top of their tree. I got one of those. What else did I get? What else did I get? Look at this. Look at this. This is the Makita 10.8 multi-tool. Now you may remember that I recently got a Makita SDS 10.8 and I bought the bare unit so I could share the battery with the 10.8, and one of the things that I got as well, would you believe, the 4 amp hour version of the 10.8 CXT battery, which will fit that, and we're ready to go. Now, did it stop there? No. Look what else! A Makita 10.8 cordless circular saw. This is that little baby that you look at and you think, I know lots of jobs I could use that for. I know lots of jobs that I could use that for. I'm going to find out how many jobs, because I was on my site the other day and it really needed one of these. And I was faffing around. Hey, thank you, Father Christmas. Thank you for watching Bodge with Brian. Don't forget, subscribe, crash the like button, and we're on Twitter and Instagram. Thank you again for watching Bodge with Brian.